សួស្តីអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាក្នុងវីដេអូនេះយើងនឹងរៀនពី greet people and we continue from the previous video about the greeting people and today word you will learn about the word សួស្តី in Khmer language សួស្តី we can use in every condition but the most polite word is ជំរាបសួរ here the word ជំរាបសួរ ជំរាបសួរ mean hello. You can speak this word to the people who are elder than you or elderly people, such as professor, teachers, especially the person who you respect to. And the next word is សូមស្វាគមន៍ You can see the cursor សូមស្វាគមន៍ mean welcome. Or if you please to speak with someone and really nice with the conversation at the end you can say រីករាយដែលបានជួបអ្នករីករាយដែលបានជួបអ្នក next word is ជម្រាបលា or លាសិនហើយ if you could say goodbye to your teacher or your professors or the person who are elder than you can say ជំរាបលា and you can សំពះ in Khmer language by respect and you can speak ជំរាបសួរ ជំរាបលា sorry mean goodbyes if your friend or the people that similar than you can say listen ហើយ ជំរាបថ្ងៃក្រោយ like this thank you